Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to scan documents with your iPhone Air camera. There are two methods of doing that depending on where you want the destination file to land. I'll show you the first method, which has been there for a longer time, and you may be more familiar with it. So it'll be going to the Notes app. And I know it's kind of weird, but yeah, this used to be the only option. Now there's another one which I'm gonna show you later. You need to create a note, of course, then select the attachment button, and now find scan documents. And now I can just put a document right here. And I can take the photo of it. I'm just gonna make sure it's all in the viewport of my camera. And now just one document, but of course you can scan multiple ones. Feel free to enable flashlight, for example, or filters like grayscale, black and white, or photo filter. And you can enable or disable auto shutter, because now it has taken the photo automatically when it detected the whole document in frame, but you may actually want to turn it off and take the photo yourself. Now I'm gonna prove it, and you can see it is scanned here. It has applied a filter automatically to make it look a bit better, like a scanned document. Also, it has made it look straight in the frame, even though it wasn't straight as I took the picture. It just changed the perspective, you know. Now, the other method won't actually scan into your Notes app, but into a file. And to do it, go to Preview app, which is a new app on iOS 26, and you should click on Scan Documents, and it's gonna work the same exact way, but this time it will actually save it somewhere else. So let's click on that document. Now, of course, you can click on it before approving to, for example, adjust it, because you can see right here I have some problems. First of all, I need to rotate it. Second of all, I'd like to adjust it so it's a bit better adjusted. By the way, under my finger there is this little dot that tells me, that just magnifies where I'm pointing. Now I think it's better. I'm gonna approve it. It is indeed better. I can go to filters and change whether it's color, it's grayscale, or black and white. I'm gonna set it to black and white because it makes it have a higher contrast. And then there's I can just go back and approve it, and now you can see it as a complete file. I can of course rename it, I can do stuff with it. Let's just do manual, approve it, and now it is in your document, so you can view it here. It's in my recents. I'm gonna go to browse and actually see where it is. It's in iCloud Drive, then preview, and preview is right here, but I'd like to move it somewhere else. To do it, press and hold on it, then tap on move, and I'll move it to on my iPhone, and just here, not into any folder, just to my iPhone, not to iCloud Drive. Gonna copy. Then if I go to either preview or if I go to files, I'll also see it in files. If I go to files, browse on my iPhone, manual, and it is right here. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.